Hi there! Today we have another huge monitor from Philips here, the smaller brother of the 49-inch P-line SuperWide one we had a few months ago. Unboxing and setup has not changed that much, although I believe it is possible to set up this monitor by yourself without needing a friend, but I'm not recommending it. And I don't know why, but Philips always prints their boxes weirdly, and while being excited, I always open the wrong side first. At least they got you covered with all the cables you would need, including USB-C to regular USB adapter. The design of this monitor is pretty similar, which is not a bad thing. It looks really nice, and all the adjustability you would want for a monitor like this is there. It has a pretty decent I/O as well. 2 DisplayPort 1.4s and HDMI, 2 USB-C 3.2s, which can be used for upstream as well, 4 standard USB 3.2s with one that can be used for fast charging, a headphone jack and Ethernet port. 2 said that these ports are in a place where you can't feel or see that much, and hot plugging them into a monitor is not as fast as it could be. For regular phone charging or connecting to your laptop, I would recommend leaving cables plugged in. It also has a webcam, not the best quality one, but not the worst one, and it can be used for Windows Hello facial recognition, which is really nice. And after using this monitor for quite some time, I believe that Philips learned a thing or two from its bigger brother, the 49-inch one, and they have made a really good monitor. Although the curvature is the same, and I would love to see them pushing to a more aggressive curvature for their professional P-line monitors, the smaller display with 32:10 aspect ratio makes this monitor worlds easier to use, and I could make this work as daily driver easily. And improved 100Hz refresh rate combined with factory calibrated HDR 400 certified panel makes you want to use this monitor. But for you to know, HDR is only supported through DisplayPort and HDMI, so your freshly bought MacBook Pro will have some limitations. But connecting it is fast and easy, and if you would like to see our review of this laptop, leave a comment below. And yes, every monitor comes calibrated from factory with its calibration sheet in the box. Gaming experience on this? Well, it depends on the game itself. Racing games like Assetto Corsa are awesome, and I spent much more time playing them than I probably should have. But for example in CSGO, there's too much distortion, and everything on your sides are much bigger than they should be. But of course you can enable this monitor to work in 16:9 or other aspect ratio the game is enjoyable at, and everything is alright. But overall I really enjoy the gaming aspect of this monitor. The menu system is good as always. I would prefer a joystick for controls, but these buttons are easily workable with. And that is pretty much all I wanted to tell you about it. There are a few things I would love to see changed, but overall it's a pretty damn nice monitor. 980 euros for it is not a small price for a monitor, but with similar specifications, the only one I could find was a Lenovo one. For this much? 980 euros for this feels like a much better deal. Hit the like button if you like this video. If you didn't, let us know why in the comment section below. Smash the red subscribe button if you haven't yet, and see you in the next video.